Good day, crafty chums. It's Nikki here, and welcome to 30 Days of Napkins Challenge number 19, Jar Lid. There you go. There's a napkin in a jar for you. Yes. Now, what on earth can we do with a napkin in a jar? I don't know. Let's see. So there I've got the jar lid, and I've got the image that came from challenge number 6, which was a napkin and paper challenge. And I've been using that, a couple of those throughout the challenge just to show you can use them up in whatever way you want. So I just separated the napkin out, and I've left myself with the darker greyish colour. And I'm just going to Mod Podge these into the jar lid. Took a little while to stick them down, because if you've done all this before, you know that these flipping napkins, some of them really, really stick to your fingers. Stick to your fingers, so they're going to be a little bit tricksy to go around corners and edges, and because you just really got to wait for them to dry before you can pick them up and continue on. So yeah, it can get a little bit frustrating, but keep with it because at the end you get something really nice. What you can do with a jar lid is you can turn it into a fridge magnet, or you can put holes in it and hang it up, or you can glue a little bit of lace on there and hang it up and have it as like a little teeny weeny bit of a shadow box thingy, that kind of thing. I haven't put anything to hang mine up with or put a magnet on the back because this is just ideas only, and I didn't want to take it through to anything else. I've got like a zillion things hanging up on my wall now from the napkin challenge, which is fabulous. I might end up putting a magnet on it and just sticking it to my fridge. Haven't decided yet though. So but I just wanted to show you, give you a little bit of an idea using this jar lid. I wonder how much more I can talk about gluing a napkins onto a jar lid. I don't know. I had to wait for it to dry before I could come back and do some more to go onto the back. So there we are, going onto the back. Hope you're enjoying the challenge. Eileen and myself are enjoying this challenge very much and bringing it to you. It's been quite a thing to come up with the challenges and to keep it fresh and different, which we're hoping it is. I just never know. Never know. And getting out my blingy stash, and there, just gluing down the little image. I've got my blingy stash there, and I'll just be putting in. I was going to put the pink beads around the edge of it, but it didn't really go with the dark colour I'd chosen, so I decided not to do that in the end. I'll show you what I did shortly, but anyway, I'm going to be gluing down these little flowers there. I was just seeing how it looked. Looks okay, so go ahead. Of course, you could use an image of one of your kids or your hubby or yourself, or anything you wanted like that in there, and that would work just as well. I just happened to be using the napkin image because that's one that I had handy, so why not use it? Looks very pretty. So yeah, just gluing down the bits and pieces inside and not making it too difficult. This is going to be a quick one because it isn't difficult to do. And I think I use one of those like bracelet words that you can grab hold of, and it says hope. I think I put the word hope in there, and I've just tried to keep it pinky and light and that, and then I add a little bit of glittery bling to it. Then I do the is it Perfect Pearls or something like that? I do that around the inside of the lid, and then I use stickles around the outside of the rim as well, but you'll see that as we get into it. Yeah, so here we go. Blah, da, 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 da. I think I've described this to you just far too quickly. We could just wait to the end, I might just play some more music, so I'll just probably play you out there with a little bit of music because I think I've explained everything to you now. It was a really simple and easy and nice little project to make just from a jar lid. And I had to go round and scrounge this one off my daughter because I didn't have one. Because I don't normally keep the lids to my jars. Yeah, so I had to go and scrounge this one off my daughter. So anyway, there you go. Never mind. Hope you'd enjoy it. Hope you enjoyed this little make today. I hope to see you again really soon. So there I am putting on the perfect pills, whatever they're called, I can't remember. And see you again. Bye. Oh yeah, of course, I've got to say this, haven't I? Please like, subscribe, and subscribe. Please like and wow, do you know what? If I could get the words out, I would say them. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do, because I really appreciate it. I'm getting close to the 2,000 subscribers now. It'd be really nice to do that before too long. And please like a video and leave me a kind comment, and I'll leave all relevant information in the description box below and some links in the end screen afterwards as well. So thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye y'all.